How to delete Safari downloads on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. Navigate to the folder containing your downloads. In this case, for example, downloaded photos are saved in the folder named Download located in the On My iPhone section. Tap on My iPhone. Now, locate the folder where your images are saved. And then, tap and hold the photo you want and select Delete from the options. The file is now removed from its original folder. At this point, it has not been permanently deleted but has been moved to a temporary holding area. To permanently remove the file, go back to the main browse screen in the Files app. Tap on the Recently Deleted option. Inside, you will find the file you just deleted. Now, press and hold on the file again. Here, select Delete Now. A final confirmation alert pops up to ensure you tap Delete one last time. The file is now permanently removed from the iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily delete Safari downloads on an iPhone.